Made to fit where other tools can't. Reach directly into tighter spaces with the new Passload 18-gauge cordless lithium-ion brad nailer. This is the ideal tool for all your trim projects. This nailer drives each nail flush into all trim for high-quality craftsmanship. At 4¼ pounds, this is the lightest cordless brad nailer on the market for reduced fatigue and increased productivity. Experience the convenience of Passload cordless. This tool is ready to go when you are. No compressor or hose to manage or put away. The new 18-gauge cordless lithium-ion brad nailer is covered by the Passload 2-year service promise. If your nailer stops working for any reason, we'll fix it. As with all Passload tools, this is a durable and reliable nailer designed for the pro. Experience non-stop nailing with Passload's 18-gauge cordless system.
You probably already know that Prolock by GripRite provides the best high chairs in the industry. Our patented locking head means that you don't have to use tie wire or bar ties to secure rebar to the chair. It locks in automatically. And each head has 2 conforming slots so that you don't have to worry about tying your remesh or rebar intersections either. We are saving your back and your time. Imagine the hours you'd save on every project if you didn't have to tie off your rebar. But GripRite also has every other concrete accessory you might need for concrete jobs. In addition to our Prolock rebar and mesh chairs, our extensive offering of other raising products like slab bolsters, beam bolsters, and continuous high chairs all come with the choice of uppers, tipped feet, or dipped feet, depending on the needs of your job. GripRite also has tough, reliable tie wire reels, tie wire, and easy-to-use bar ties, all durable enough for the most extreme conditions. The tie wire comes in bright or PVC coated for corrosion protection, and the bar ties come in a variety of sizes for use with any rebar. To speed up your work even more, use the GripRite bar tie twisters, whose unique pull and twist handle automatically ties off your bar ties with one pull. GripRite also offers OSHA and mushroom rebar caps to protect against possible injuries from exposed rebar, as well as a wide selection of steel stakes for all your forming needs. Both our anchor bolts and steel plates come in basic bright, hot-dipped galvanized and stainless steel for added rust and corrosion protection. And after you pour, don't forget to grab some GripRite curing blankets or reinforced poly to protect your hard work while it's curing. No matter what you need, GripRite has the solution for you. So keep on building your projects and your business right, and grab Prolock from GripRite, as well as our other very reliable GripRite concrete accessories.
Can you do this with your circular saw?
See how cleanly I extracted the subfloor with one saw, one blade, and no damage to the sheetrock, wires, or plumbing? One saw.
What about this?
Forget about pulling out your beam saw or making 4 cuts with 2 different saws. I could do it with one saw in 2 cuts.
Bet your saw can't do this.
How fast was that? And without the waste of material or ugly edges that can be created by a reciprocating saw.
What if you could do this?
I just cut that rim joist without marking or chalking any lines. Try that with any other saw.
Could you even think about doing this with your circular saw?
How many times would you have to pull out your tape measure just to cut these floor joists? 10, 20 times? Try doing it without measuring at all.
And try doing this with your old circular saw.
I used to have to do this by hand or switch to an undercut saw. Now I just rotate my handle 90 degrees for perfect one-pass undercuts in only a few seconds.
Now, would you believe that you could do all these things and more with just one saw, all while significantly reducing construction costs? Believe it. Introducing the Sraight Flush Saw, the 7-in-1 saw that's faster, safer, and more versatile than virtually any other comparable saw on the market. And it's about to change the construction industry forever. The Sraight Flush Saw also comes with a heavy-duty lifetime guarantee. If one of the manufactured parts breaks or you experience a design flaw, just send it back to us and we'll send you a new Sraight Flush even if you're not the original owner.
Heard enough? Stop lugging around heavy, cumbersome saws that only have one function and start saving time, labor, and material costs today.
Level anything in a 30-foot radius instantly. Introducing the Hammerhead 360-degree cross-line laser level. Activate the self-leveling 360-degree horizontal line, plumb line, or cross line with the touch of a button. An LED indicator changes from green to red to alert you when you have exceeded the self-leveling range. Level anything from a shelf to a series of junction boxes with ease. Hammerhead's 360-degree cross-line laser for larger jobs that require pinpoint accuracy. Work smarter. Hammerhead.
Tool Connect, the interactive app designed by DeWalt to connect and control your Bluetooth-enabled DeWalt 20-volt max batteries and send alerts to your tablet or smartphone. Use the Tool Connect app on your smart device to pair and name your Bluetooth-enabled DeWalt 20-volt max batteries. You can connect with multiple batteries at a time, so you can check the status of each enabled battery you own at a glance. Once connected, you can easily locate a battery visually by flashing the battery's built-in identity light. You can also remotely check the battery's state of charge and temperature. The ability to enable or disable the battery at any time while you are within Bluetooth range may act as a deterrent for unauthorized battery usage. Diagnostics allow the Tool Connect user to determine if a battery is too cold or too hot to operate properly. It can also alert you when finished or in need of charging. If you want to lend your battery, the lend feature will allow you to set the battery to disable itself after a predetermined time frame, rendering the battery useless until it's returned. You can also create a virtual fence for your batteries at the job site. The app can issue an alert and even disable one of your batteries if it exceeds the Bluetooth range of your smart device. Put the DeWalt Tool Connect app to work for you. It's DeWalt's smart solution to receive alerts about, connect with, then control your Bluetooth-enabled DeWalt 20-volt max batteries.
Leveling up the job site has never been easier. Introducing the Johnson Machine Mount Detector, a heavy-duty laser detector that attaches to earth-moving equipment to locate Johnson red beam rotary laser signals. The detector mounts using extreme-duty rare earth magnets or mounting clamps. The detector features full 360-degree beam coverage to ensure that no matter its orientation, the laser signal will be received. For easiest setup, the detector includes an integrated lithium-ion battery. For permanent installation, use the included battery clamps to hardwire directly to 12-volt or 24-volt DC sources. The detector's display has ultra-bright LEDs to indicate your grade reading. For use on limited visibility equipment such as skid steers, the 40-6792 remote display repeats the laser detector's LED signal directly to the operator inside the cab, making placement of the detector possible even in the operator's blind spots. The detector is IP66 washdown rated for job site durability and includes all hardware and cabling required to install it temporarily or permanently to any piece of equipment. Robust, accurate, easy to use. The Johnson Machine Mount Detector. Level up.